The difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org is that the WordPress.org is the website where you can download the software for free, and then you have to organize all the installation and web hosting yourself. WordPress.com is a paid service that completely takes care of installation and hosting for you. WordPress.com is a free service that provides you with an easy-to-use blogging platform, although you give up complete control of your content. This means that they can intervene in your content if they see fit without informing you beforehand. It also means that all of your data will be stored on their site and not yours, which can be inconvenient for some people who want to maintain privacy on certain things like passwords or credit card numbers. WordPress.org offers more freedom as it allows users to have complete control over their data, including security aspects like backups and repairs. WordPress.org is a free and open-source content management system. WordPress is not only a CMS, it also has themes that allow you to customize your website, plugins that offer features like social media integration and e-commerce tools, and powerful analytics for measuring traffic. There are many WordPress options available today. They range from free software under GNU GPL to paid enterprise solutions with scalability and security. That's why it can be daunting to figure out which one to choose for your business needs. Many factors should be considered when selecting the suitable CMS for your company: the size of the business, the complexity of website design, budget restrictions, etc. The most important factor should be the content creators, as they are the ones who will maintain and update the site regularly. WordPress is an excellent platform for setting up a website for your company. It is open source, which means that there are many features built into it that you can use and plenty of plugins that you can use to customize it.